Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send offers in Upwork. It's pretty simple. You want to click on talent at the top right of the screen, and then you want to click on discover. Once you click on discover, it is going to take you to the discovering page. Over here you can choose whoever you want to hire. Now their hourly pay is also going to be offered over here, but you can offer them another amount of payment if you want to edit it later. So click on the person. I'm going to click on Muhammad for this video's example. Once I click on the person, I can see the three dot right beside the person's profile. I need to click on it and I need to click on hire. Once I click on hire, it is going to take me inside the profile where I can send him an offer. Now I can edit whatever I want. I can choose the job detail over here. If I scroll a bit down, I can choose how I want to pay him, whether I want to pay him by hour or by fixed rate. And right beside this pencil, I can click on it and edit how much I want to pay him. And if I scroll a bit down more, it is going to show me work description. And this is the most important part. You need to fill this up correctly, like what job you want to provide him. You cannot just write random. If you write something random, he's not going to accept your offer. So explain your job in the most detailed way as you can, like how you're going to pay him, what he has to do. After you do that, if you want to attach some extra files related to your work, you can do that, but make sure it's less than 25 MB. Once you do that, you just need to scroll a bit down, tick mark this. It basically means you agree to Upwork's terms and service. Click on continue and the offer will be sent to the person. That is how you guys can send offer in Upwork. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future Upwork video. Bye bye until then.